Hello students, today we shall start our chapter number 17. Trees, our best friend. So can you imagine this environment without the trees? No, it is very difficult to imagine this environment without the trees because we get many things from our environment and trees. So in this chapter, our first topic is why are trees important? Trees plays very important role in our life. Trees keep the soil healthy by preventing soil erosion. They provide nutrients to the soil as leaves and roots decay. Trees provide the wood and pulp to make paper. Trees provide food to us in the form of fresh vegetables and fruits. And also trees provide us shade in summers and shelter in the rainy season. So our next topic is plantation of trees to save the environment. The best way to protect the environment to save trees and plant more and more trees is known as afforestation. And planting tree is a must if you want to save the environment. There are three drives which and the first drive is Chipko movement. It was a non-violent movement. Chipko is a Hindi word which means stick or hug, and it was started by Amrita Devi about 300 years ago in a small village in Rajasthan, and it was a protest against king's men to cut the trees. So our next movement is modern Chipko movement. It was began in 1970s in the rainy village of Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. Women of Rainy village formed a circle hugging the trees of the area, and this was done to prevent the cutting down of trees. So next one is Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival, and it began in 1950. The name Van Mahotsav means Festival of Trees, and it was started by Dr. K.M. Munshi. So important features of the Van Mahotsav. The main aim of this festival is to create awareness among the people about the importance of the trees. During the festival, millions of saplings planted by the different people all over the country. It is expected to every Indian shall plant at least one tree during the festival. Schools, colleges and other institutions are supplied with free sapling to encourage the planting trees. So students, now we will solve our back exercise. Our first topic is tick the correct answer. So first one is trees are the lungs of our planet. So its right option is earth. Next one is trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out its oxygen. Cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. Cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. Chipko is a Hindi word which means to stick, or its answer is hug. Van Mahotsav was started in the year of its 1950. Second one is answer in one or two words. So first one is another name for the natural home of wildlife, its habitat. Second one is a term which describes the cutting down of trees, it is deforestation. Third one is the movement started by Amrita Devi in a small village in Rajasthan. It's a Chipko movement. The annual tree planting movement in India, it is Van Mahotsav. The district in Uttarakhand where the modern Chipko movement started in India, it's Chamoli. So next one is question answers. Your first question is list any 4 reasons why trees are important for us. So trees are very important for us because We get oxygen from trees. Trees provide us wood to make furniture. Trees provide us pulp to make paper, and we get fruits and vegetables from trees. Our second question is, who started the Chipko movement and where? The Chipko movement was started by Amrita Devi in a small village of Rajasthan. So our third question is, write a short note on the modern Chipko movement. Modern Chipko movement is began in 1970, and a group of women in Reni village in a Chamoli district of Uttarakhand formed a circle hugging the trees of the area to preventing the cutting down of trees. Our last question is, what is the main aim of the Van Mahotsav? The main aim of the festival is to create awareness amongst the people about the importance of trees in our environment. Next one is true false. Your first true false is, trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. It is true. Planting more and more tree is known as deforestation. It is false, because planting more and more trees is known as afforestation. In Hindi, the word chipko means to abandon. It is also false. Next one is, the modern Chipko movement began in the Garhwal Himalayas of Uttarakhand. It is true. And last one is, the Van Mahotsav was started by Amrita Devi in the year of 1950. It is false. So, thank you.